Hello students, you all know we are learning parts of speech. Okay, I have already defined the parts of speech to everyone, and then we have started learning all the parts of speech in detail. Okay, we have already completed nouns, then we have completed pronouns, and in today's lesson we are going to begin adjectives. Clear? Now before we begin the class, or before I start teaching you what adjectives are, because in this lesson we will be covering only the introduction of what adjectives are. Clear? So I'm not going to tell you the kinds of adjectives in this lesson. I'm not going to teach you that in this lesson. Today we are just going to learn or get introduced with what adjectives are. So before we begin the lesson, let's go ahead with an activity. Clear? Now what is the activity? Take a paper and a pen. Everyone is supposed to take a paper and a pen and write your name, not my name, your name. Okay? Here I am just writing my name to show you how we are supposed to do the activity. So everybody is going to write their name and they are going to post this activity on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so write your name like this. Okay, I have written my name and you students are going to write your names. Clear? Now after writing the name, what are you going to do is, children, you are going to write one word for each letter that will describe you. Clear? What are we doing? I am going to write each word beginning from each letter of my word, of my name, and that will describe me. Clear? Now suppose, example, I am just showing you how we are going to do it so that you can do it at your homes, right? So here, if I want to write something beginning with letter S that will describe me, can it be sincere? Okay. So what am I writing here? Sincere. Beginning from S, and I believe it describes me, right? E. E can be elegant. Clear? So the second I am writing is elegant. Clear? Now third, again E. Energetic. Okay. I am writing energetic. M. M can be mindful. Okay. M can be, well, I have many words from M, but I am writing mindful. A. A can be adorable, amazing, whatever you wish to describe yourself as. So here I am writing amazing. So did you see that what have I done is, I have written my name first, okay? And then what I have done is, I have written 5 words beginning from each letter of my name that is describing me. Okay, so here every one of you is going to put this video on pause and going to do this activity for sure. What are you doing, children? You are writing your name here and then you are going to describe yourself, okay, with the word beginning from each letter of your name. The way I have done, you are going to do it with your name. Okay, so here you are going to pause your video for a few seconds and go ahead with this activity. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to understand why have we done this activity. Okay. Because here what am I telling you is, adjectives are what? Adjectives are the words which describe or modify nouns, pronouns, or adjectives themselves. Okay, one adjective describes another adjective. Clear? So here when I was telling you to write the words that are describing you, all these words are describing Seema. Clear? Sincere, Seema. So here the word sincere has described what kind of lady is Seema. Elegant, Seema. So here the word elegant is telling my character, my behavior, right? Here energetic is yet another word which is telling us what kind of person am I, right? Mindful, again describing me, and amazing, it is also describing me, right? Am I? So here what I wish to tell you is, children, what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that modifies or describes noun. Okay, adjectives are words that modify or describe noun, pronoun, or any other adjective. In noun, what do we consider? Person, place, or thing. So they describe or modify person, place, or thing. Let us understand this even more. Okay, we have already learned the definition of adjectives. Adjectives are words that modify noun, pronoun, and other adjectives. But we are going to understand it deeper. Okay, even deeper. Here I have written, my cat had each of these 4 adorable kittens. Okay, now here there are so many words which are giving us important information. Okay, what is the information? The cat is mine. Okay, they are telling us the quality, adorable. Okay, they are telling us the quantity, 4. Okay, they are comparing. Here we are not having any comparison, but adjectives can even compare, and adjectives can even tell us colors. Are you understanding me? So we use so many adjectives in our daily lives. If I remove adjectives from this sentence, what will I get, children? Cat had kittens. But I am using so many adjectives here. My is an adjective. Okay. Now each is an adjective. Okay. Adorable is an adjective. These is an adjective. Okay, so how many adjectives are we using here? Can you see that, children? So, adjectives are those words which tell us about noun. Clear? Here noun is cat and kittens. Clear? So, are we getting information about cat and kittens here? Yes, we are getting. So, the words that give us information about nouns, pronouns, okay, are known as adjectives. Now they are telling us a quality, what kind of person. Were we not describing the qualities of a person over here? Yes. So already we know that adjectives describe the quality of a person. It may be good, it may be even bad, right? So we are seeing that they are describing the quality. Now they are telling us the quantity also. Okay, they tell us how many, how much. Clear? How much means each. The word each is not telling us the exact quantity, but yes, telling us the how much. Okay, each. Then it is comparing is not being done here, and colors we are not using, but they are also the part of adjectives. Clear, children? So adjectives gives us important information, colors, quality, quantity of nouns, pronouns, and even other adjectives. Clear? Now, he was fast. He is a pronoun. Here I have used noun saying cat and kittens. But here if I say he was fast, he is a pronoun. Okay, we have already learned what pronouns are. So is the word fast describing he? Yes, it is describing he. It is describing a pronoun. So is it an adjective? Yes, it is an adjective because it is describing pronoun he. Clear, everyone? So when it is describing even pronoun, the words which describe pronoun, which tell us the quality of a pronoun also, they are also adjectives, right? Now, a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Let me tell you, children, please note this sentence down because this is the only sentence in English which is using all the letters from A to Z. You can check. Do we have A over here? Yes. Do we have B? Yes. C. Okay. D. E. F. Fox jumps F. Okay, so we have all the letters in this sentence. So this is a very important sentence. Everybody should know that this is the only sentence in English which includes all the letters from A to Z. Okay, so a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. But we are learning adjectives here, right? So what are the adjectives here? Quick. Okay, so is the word quick describing fox? Yes. Okay, so if brown, is the word brown telling us, giving us information about fox? Yes, it is giving us information about fox. What color is the fox? Okay, so lazy, again quality of dog. So we use adjectives in our daily lives. So many adjectives in our daily lives when we are giving important information, when we are telling the colors, when we are telling the quantity, when we are telling the quality. Okay, so all these words which perform this task are known as adjectives. Clear? Adjectives describe person, place and thing. This I have already told you, because person, place and thing are nouns, and we have already discussed that adjectives tell us about noun, right? Now adjective modifies noun. Okay, how? It tells us to whom does it belong. My cat. Is it telling me whose cat is this? Is it giving me important information? My cat. Each person. Is it telling me the quantity? Right? Yes, each person is telling us the quantity. Now few more. The flower has smell. Okay, now here smell. Okay, sorry. The flower has smell, has no adjective here. But if I want to put adjectives in this sentence, then how am I going to put? The beautiful flower has nice smell. Now how many adjectives have I used here, children? 2 adjectives. I have described the word flower as beautiful. Okay. I have described the word smell as nice. So can we use adjectives in our daily lives? Yes, we use adjectives in our daily life. The cat is hungry or the hungry cat. In both the cases, the word hungry is describing what the cat is going through. Hunger. Clear? So, of course, it is telling us a condition of cat in both the cases. So, hungry in both the cases is adjectives. Let us read few sentences, and you are going to tell me, before I tell you the answer, you should be marking what adjectives are in each of the sentence. Clear, children? They live in beautiful house. Now, here, what is a noun? House. Right? So, is there any word that is describing the word house, children? Yes, we have a word which is describing the word house. And what is the word, children? Beautiful. So, is the word beautiful noun, adjective? Yes. Okay, just roll. So, is the word beautiful an adjective that is describing a house? Yes. So, we have beautiful as an adjective. Lisa is wearing sleeveless shirt. Clear? Now here, if I say something is describing the word shirt over here, or is telling us or giving us important information about the word shirt over here. What is that word? Is it sleeveless? It is telling us what kind of shirt is Lisa wearing. So, are we having a word that is describing a noun here? Yes. So, sleeveless here is adjective. Clear, children? So, what is the adjective here, children? Sleeveless. Third sentence. She wore a lovely dress. Okay. Just pause the sentence here. Mark what adjective is. Then pause again and then see what adjective is, children. What is a noun here? What are we describing? What is being described? Dress. And what is the word that is describing the word dress? It is lovely. So, what is the adjective here? It is lovely. Clear? He writes meaningless letters. Okay. Is there any word that is giving us any information about letters? What kind of letters are being written? What is the letter that is being written? Yes, we have a word, and that is meaningless. So, the word meaningless here is adjective. Clear, children? So, it is describing letters, that the letters are meaningless. It is telling us something about the letters, that letters are meaningless. So, meaningless is describing a noun, that is letter. Rita is an adorable baby. Is there anything that is describing baby or Rita? Yes, it is adorable. Okay, so adorable here is an adjective. Clear? This glass is unbreakable. What is the noun here, children, in this sentence? Glass. Okay, the noun is glass. What is the word that is describing noun here? It is unbreakable. Okay, so it is telling us the quality of glass. It is telling us that the glass is unbreakable. So hence here unbreakable is adjective. Clear? I met a homeless person. Clear? So here, if I take person as a noun, is there any word in the sentence that is telling us about the person or is giving us any information about the person? Yes, there is a word that is giving us an information about a person, that the person is homeless. So it will be an adjective. Clear, children? So we are definitely not going to proceed with the kinds of adjectives in this lesson, but I hope you must have got an idea of what adjectives are. Children, we actually use adjectives in our daily life. Don't we say beautiful dress? Okay, so what is beautiful? We are describing a dress. We are telling the quality of a dress, and that is an adjective, right? So we actually say he is running fast. Okay, so he is handsome. Okay, so are we telling something about he over here? Are we describing the pronoun over here, right? Handsome. So is it an adjective? Yes. Is that clear? So when we use all these words to describe a noun, they are known as adjectives. Clear, children? Again, I am repeating, what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that modify noun, pronoun or another adjective. Clear, children? So they even describe other adjectives also, right? So they give us important information about nouns. What are nouns? Person, place or thing, right? So here, when some important information is given about person, place or thing, quality of person, place or thing, quantity of person, place or thing is given, comparing person, places or things, right? Colors of person, places or things, or they modify them. They tell us the ownership, the possession, that also comes under adjectives. Okay, children, I hope you have understood whatever I have told you about adjectives. I have given you a fair idea of what adjectives are. You're going to copy all these notes, okay? In addition, you're going to do this activity also, okay, and post it on WhatsApp group. And other than that, you're going to make 10 such sentences in which some nouns will be described, or some information about nouns will be told. You're going to underline the adjectives in those sentences and send it on WhatsApp. Thank you, children. That's all for today's class.